So yeah, and after making this a menu, yeah, for the breakfast, just you could also just buy some sausages, which you could just easily put in the oven in the morning. Have this with maybe some baked beans, and this isn't too unhealthy. Also, you could just make some fruit salads. This would also get in your 5 a day, which would be great. And this is really nice with breakfast, with just some like natural yogurt and syrup. So yeah, if this is made the day before, it will just push you to just have your breakfast in the morning. It won't seem like a sort of task. The second improvement I said was to just write a menu for the week, of just large, substantial, healthy meals that include vegetables for lunch and dinner, and just stick to this throughout the week. Having a set meal plan will just avoid you snacking on unhealthy foods throughout the day, and will just fill you up so you don't have to eat late at night. So yeah, they just have to be like sort of simple but healthy meals, such as lasagna or tuna pasta bake or something like that, which is just nice and easy meals. And I also said that another goal would be to cut down to only allowing yourself to eat chocolate or sweet unhealthy treats on a Friday or Saturday, this being like a maximum of just one chocolate bar. So yeah, this will just help you get out of the easy trap to fall in of just eating chocolate on the daily. And now finally for the last goal is alcohol consumption levels, which just needed to be improved. So we need to cut down on the week drinking, because this isn't very necessary. Just limit yourself to just one drink on the week, which will be on a Friday usually. It would make sense then, rather than just having a small drink every single night, which just doesn't really do anything. So yeah, set a maximum amount which you can potentially drink on one night, and just stay under this in the week. So for the Friday night, so when you're at home, just restrict yourself to a sort of maximum of 2 glasses of wine, and this will probably be a maximum of 3 units for the night, which is not too bad, and it will just cut you out of the habit of drinking little amounts, which sort of adds on to your units per week. On a Saturday night, of course, when you're going out with your friends, you'll want to be drinking. So if you do, then just allow yourself a maximum of 6-7 units. So yeah, when you go out, and this could just be done by restricting yourself to like 1 or 2 strong drinks, such as a gin and tonic. So let's say 2 gin and tonics, and then you can have like 2 glasses of wine maximum, and just stop there. And like this could be hard, because once you get a bit tipsy, then you might just want to keep on ordering drinks. But just sort of set aside, maybe just bring like some cash that you know that you'll be spending that amount, and just don't go over that, and that could really help just to get you in the rhythm. And then after a few weeks of this, you won't have to sort of do that technique. And I also said that this will gradually just get the levels down to reduce consumption. And after 2 months of sticking to this drinking plan and getting out of the habit of drinking too excessively, just half the amount of units that were set on the Friday and Saturday night, and this will be really beneficial for the health.